In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw on Binance in Australia. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so I'm here at Binance.com, so if you want, you can open the app on your mobile device, log in using your credentials. And don't worry because Binance.com is compatible to any known type of browsers. If you're using Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, it's okay. So just log in. And once you've logged in, I suggest you go here. Binance.com blog. How to buy crypto with Binance Australia. Okay, so first one, the first step would be buy crypto by debit or credit or debit card, alright? So users can deposit onto the Binance exchange using a credit or debit card right here. Say Binance Australia users can also withdraw funds using sell to card. See sell to crypto here. You can check some information here for you to move forward. Alright. So here's how it goes. And use the P2P to buy and sell crypto. Right here. A P2P platform serves as the peer-to-peer marketplace for users to buy or sell crypto for fiat directly with one another using their preferred payment method, currency, and even price while paying zero trading fees, alright? So here you can click on this link on Binance P2P trading. The users directly buy or sell cryptocurrencies from each other on the Binance P2P platform. It's like a marketplace. And P2P is currently available for Australian users as a method for or of depositing into their Binance accounts. So you can click on it for more details, right? Here. And now, the step 3 is use a third-party payment. So, third-party payment offers users the ability to deposit Australian dollars to Binance using a variety of methods, including card or bank transfer. The deposit methods vary between providers, and users will be taken directly to a provider's website to complete a transaction. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of use of a third-party payment provider using the service, alright? So if you want more help, there are helpful guide links here for you to check. I suggest you go here, click all the links, read and understand. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you all in the next one.